Alright, this is going to be my submission video for purple belt. One of them. I've got another lock I can pick that qualifies too. This is the US Star. If you're not familiar with the US Star, Lock Picking Lawyer has a video of him picking it. It says it's identical to the MTL Classic. So, got 5 pins, pin and pin. Unlock to pick, so get it locked up and we'll be ready to go. Alright, see if I can pick it without having my hand in the way the whole time. Clicking, but I don't have a false set yet, so I think, oh, there we go. There's a little false set. Still feels like I'm missing one. I used to pick this lock all the time about a month or two ago when I first got it. I haven't picked it for a couple weeks though. Oh, there we go. Okay, got a nice false set. So that just means we've got the inner pins and feels like it might be pin 5, but it does not want to go. All right, let's see. There we go. Okay, it's not going to let us turn it much more until I take it out of the vise. Try to do that while keeping it in frame. You can see it is picked. With that. Alright. So far, so good. Alright, I'll get a screwdriver out. And let's gut this thing. We're gonna lock it back up just because I have the keys. Okay. Put the key in it. Got me a follower. There we go. Okay. Didn't even drop everything. That's good. Got a lamp here. Let's see if this is a little better lighting. Maybe that's got glare. Alright, this seems to be alright. So you can see the pin and pins there. Drop these one at a time. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 came apart. 5. Kind of neat how these things are made. See, here's a better look at it. Tweezers are just a little small for these tiny pins. Okay, now I understand on the multi-lock these driver pins don't come apart, but on this US Star they do. So I try to keep them together as well as possible because that pin there does come out. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Come on, come on. Alright, I don't know why it's not going to focus, but alright, let's try it again. Okay, here we go. Every pin's the same, every driver pin is serrated like this, and it's got this small pin. So, pretty neat, I think. Alright, so let's get all these out. Telling the phone where to focus, and it's doing whatever it wants. Okay, so here's pin 5. Like I said, they're all the same. So pin 4, all just standard springs, all the same. Got a big mess of them right there. Okay, so here's a better look at everything. Go ahead and put it back together and turn the video off. We're already almost 7 minutes, so it's been a long one. Pin 4, and the little pin just shot out of there, so alright, hold on a sec. Here's a better look at the small pin that holds that together. If I can get it. And I'm gonna lose it. Where did it go? Oh, it's still in my hand. Okay. There, I got it. I am gonna turn on this light. I really can't see. Try this again. Alright, there's pin 4 going in. Done this several times, but I've got my phone in the way while I'm trying to record, so. Okay, there's 4. Here's 5. Three. Last one. All right, there are those. Now the key pins are usually a little easier. 5, 4, oops. Oh, good shot. And 1. Alright, let's get this back in there. Look it back up. Key still works. Alright. I'll put the screws back in after I turn this off. We're over 10 minutes, so thank you whoever's watching this. Goodbye.